let's go squishy hunting with my sister Skylar. First stop, Walmart.
Get the basket.
Now let's go to the toy section. Guys, I see the toy section. Guys, I literally found the Needoh boxes. There's no Needohs. Guys, is there squishies?
No.
Is this squishy? Let's see. Also, is these like gorilla ones? Guys, we are looking in the Easter section because there might be some. So we're just gonna get one of these. So let's go. Now we're in Staples. Guys, they said they didn't have any Needohs here, so let's go check another store. Next stop, Target.
Get the basket.
Scarlett's literally running. Guys, we're in the squishy section. I'm not seeing any. Or here. Guys, right here. Guys, the Needoh. Guys, I found the ring pop and the toxic waste squishy. Guys, one of the workers said that they might have some Needohs in the back and she went to go check. So let's see if she has any. And we found this one. It's like a diamond squishy. Good. Guys, my mom said we could get the whole box of Needohs. Now we're gonna go to Aldi. Guys, there was none here at Aldi, so let's go check another store. Now let's go to Office Depot. It was another fail. Let's go to Barnes & Noble. Guys, it was another fail. We found this little squishy duck. Guys, there's these like tab squishies, like this. Scarlett's getting that squishy.
Could it like any of these kinds? A mystery one. I didn't know there was one. And then get the big pickle one, maybe.
Oh yes. Guys, we found a grape literally right under there. So we're gonna get a grape, and I'm getting this like slime thing. Secured some goods. This definitely was a success. Came to Target at a different location, so let's see if there's any more Needohs. Guys, my phone died, but we found so many Needohs at Target, so stay tuned for the haul.